Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your Facebook on settings. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here like you say, and you just go down, you click here on apps, then you come to apps window here like you say, and you just go down here to looking for Facebook app, and this is window, you click here on Facebook, then you come to next window here like you say, and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, and you click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Facebook settings. So see you.